chapter 1. Start the journey, it's just begun. Every page a new surprise. In my book, see the world through my eyes. Turn the pages, the story unfolds. Characters, brave stories untold. Living tales with every line. In my book, yeah, the stories are mine. In my book, worlds collide. In my book, yeah, the stories are mine. In my book, worlds collide. In my book, dreams never hide. In my book, love and fight. In my book, we chase the light. Mystery and magic within the fold. Adventures while the story's bold. Each new chapter takes me away. With my book, I live every day.